Let's also say good evening to Abdul Bugti, who's joining us on the phone line from Geneva. Abdul Bugti, how are you viewing all of these developments? Does it look like a ploy from the Pakistani establishment to take the attention away from what they're doing themselves in Balochistan?
Absolutely, I agree with you completely, and I think this is just a trick to divert attention from what is going on in Balochistan and what Pakistan Army and intelligence agencies have been doing there for so long. And this person, Indian citizen, was actually abducted by some secret agencies or their funded proxies from Iran. Then he was brought back in Pakistan and he was made to confess in custody that he was helping or backing the Baloch freedom activists. But they have no evidence, presented no evidence so far about how he was doing what they claim he was doing in Balochistan, because in Balochistan, there is a heavy military operation going on. There are human rights violations, atrocities committed by Pakistani forces on a daily basis against the freedom activists and against those who raise their voice for their rights. So we do not understand. And then again, we condemn the Pakistan military's decisions to hang Mr. Yadav, because we believe he is innocent until proven guilty. And the allegations, the accusations regarding Balochistan, what is happening in Balochistan, are completely false and sheer propaganda by the Pakistani military.
Thanks so much for joining us, of course, Mr. Bugti, and sharing your views also.